How to lose weight. Every morning drink water on an empty stomach and watch what happens to your body. Drink water on an empty stomach every morning. Water is essential to life, and your body needs it to function properly. Every morning drink water on an empty stomach and watch what happens to your body. Your body can give your diet a boost and help in raising the metabolism by 25%. It also helps in losing weight. Drink as much water as you can for reducing your body fat. It is enough. Drink lukewarm water and drink a glass or two of warm water in the morning can help you in losing weight. It helps in cleaning your systems. Why you should drink after waking up. One trending idea suggests that if you want to be healthier you should drink water first thing in the morning, because it has many benefits. For example, improve metabolism, helps weight loss, increases skin radiance for a flawless complexion, increase shine and hair texture, relieves heartburn and indigestion, strengthens immune system, inhibits kidney stone and bladder infections. How long should you wait to eat after drinking water in the morning? For the best result, the best way try not to eat anything 30 minutes after drinking, as this is time the body hydrate and energize the cells with new oxygen. Why drinking water is important to your body. About 60% of your body is made up of water. It is also considered an essential nutrient, meaning that your body cannot produce enough of it through metabolism to meet its daily needs. We can think of a better reason to start your day with a glass of water, because refreshes your body. Refreshing yourself with water before those feelings set in a great way to hit the ground running. Fuels your brain is around 75% water. That should give you a good idea of just how important it is that you drink water to fuel your brain and keep it as healthy as it can be. Your daily should always begin with the morning glass of water at the start of the day. All you need to do is start doing it. Do you drink water every day after waking up? Please comment us and say your routines.